Hey everyone, Eric here and welcome back to this week's What's Happening in the Credit Card World, where I give you update to news that you otherwise might miss due to various reasons. The last thing I want as a credit card YouTuber is for my audience to miss out on potential rewards and deals that would have otherwise given them even more cash back on when using their own credit cards. Granted, some of these deals might expire by the time you watch these videos, so make sure to subscribe to keep up with the latest news. Also, a quick shout out to extra wallets, but more on them later. And with the intros being done, let's get into this week's What's Happening in the Credit Card World. The three personal Southwest credit cards have a new sign-up bonus offer that is a little different from the conventional sign-up bonus offer that they have offered in the past. For the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus, Rapid Rewards Premier, and Rapid Rewards Priority credit cards, the new sign-up bonus offer is 30,000 Southwest points after you spend $4,000 within the first 3 months of account opening, plus free companion pass that lasts through February 2024. Now, the sign-up bonus offer isn't anything new. According to Doctor of Credit, they offered something similar back in 2022. However, for those of you out there that don't know what the famous Southwest companion pass is, it's basically a buy one get one free airline ticket for essentially an entire year. Now, granted, according to the sign-up bonus offer, you do have 3 months to complete the spending requirement, but if you take up all of that time, you'll only end up with 9 total months that you can be using that companion pass. So the strategy here is to obviously try to hit that requirement ASAP. Comparing the sign-up bonus offer to other previous sign-up bonus offers, you need to make roughly $675 worth of Southwest flights related purchases to make the sign-up bonus offer more worth it than the previous ones. And calculating the worth it value of the sign-up bonus offer, I'd say it's pretty worth it because the companion pass requires you to spend 135,000 Southwest points in order to redeem this benefit. So in total, this new sign-up bonus offer accounts for roughly 165,000 Southwest points for $4,000 spent. Some of the benefits that each Southwest credit card gets you are things like 3,000, 6,000, or 7,500 points every single card member anniversary, 2 points for every dollar spent on Rapid Rewards hotel and car rental partners, and bags fly free. Next, WALGREENS secretly released a brand new credit card, and after taking a brief look at it, I think it's actually a pretty decent credit card. The brand new My WALGREENS credit card comes with a $25 WALGREENS cash rewards when you open an account and make a purchase within the first 45 days of account opening, and it's a part of the MaxRewards network. This card earns you 10% WALGREENS cash rewards on WALGREENS branded products, which means things like generic medicine and vitamins, 5% WALGREENS cash rewards on all other brands and prescription purchases at WALGREENS, and then a 3% WALGREENS cash rewards on groceries and health and wellness purchases outside of WALGREENS, which includes things like grocery stores, obviously, spa and salon appointments, pet store, medical bills and counseling services, and sporting goods stores and gym memberships. And all of this is included at a $0 annual fee and a $0 fraud liability. Now, I'm not gonna lie here and say that this card isn't pretty decent. 5% cashback on prescriptions at WALGREENS locations is considered pretty competitive, considering most credit cards don't even offer any cashback at drugstore locations aside from Chase. Plus, the 3% back at places like spas, pet stores, medical bills, counseling services, and gym memberships is also pretty competitive as well. Never really heard of any other credit card that does that. And finally, the American Express Delta Gold has a new sign-up bonus offer of 50,000 miles plus $400 in statement credits after spending $2,000 within the first 3 months of account opening and making a Delta purchase. Details about the Delta Gold card includes the $99 annual fee waived for the first year, with waste earn rates of 2x miles at restaurants, groceries, and Delta purchases. You also get a $100 Delta flight credit when you spend $10,000 or more on purchases on your card in a calendar year, 20% back on in-flight purchases, and receive main cabin 1 priority boarding on Delta flights. This new sign-up bonus offer might be in light of the new American Express and Delta benefit called TAKEOFF 15, where owners of the Delta SkyMiles Gold, Platinum, and Reserve credit cards plus Reserve Business credit cards can get at least 15% discounts off mileage portions of an award ticket. Now, while this new benefit might sound enticing at first, a ton of people are reporting that Delta also secretly bumped up the required mileage prices for almost all of the reward tickets by 10 to 20%, essentially canceling out this new discount. Clearly, this seems like a marketing scheme. If you were on the fence of getting any of these credit cards, let alone the Delta Gold, and this was the reason why you decided to get those credit cards, maybe it's time to hop back on that fence. Before we continue this video, I just wanted to share some of the other products that Exter has to offer. This is their aluminum card holder line, which comes in over 10 plus different colorways. The ones that I'm showcasing right here is their metallic gold, metallic silver, and their metallic rose gold colorways. If you're more of a fan of not losing your wallet in Apple, Exter also carries wallets that specifically allow you to insert an Apple AirTag to the back of either the Parliament wallet version or the aluminum card holder version, so that you'll never lose your wallet again. They even have wallets in recycled leather materials for those of you out there that are more inclined with saving their environment, or their most expensive wallet line called the Fortuna Parliament wallet for those of you out there with unique tastes. And finally, ones like the Senate card holder that's similar to the aluminum ones but comes in leather instead, or ones that come in carbon fiber. Did I mention that wallets aren't the only thing that Exter carries, such as this beautiful Weekender duffel bag that I'm still dying to get my hands on, or this laptop sleeve that is capable of storing your brand new 13-inch MacBook in. With Valentine's Day coming up, Exter definitely has a product out there that'll put a smile on your significant other. Make sure to use code ERICOUT at checkout or with the link down in descriptions down below to get an additional 5% off of any sale on Exter.com. Thank you to Exter for being a longtime sponsor of this YouTube channel. And with that, let's get right back into this video. Alright, who's ready for the lightning round? Ready? Let's go. First, the Chase Instacart MasterCard that launched earlier last year has a new sign-up bonus offer of $300 and has no spending requirement, meaning it's just a free $300, comparing the sign-up bonus offer to previous ones in the past, like the official launch $200 bonus plus a free year of Instacart Plus, or the lower $100 bonus plus a free year Instacart Plus. I'd say that this offer is pretty similar to the previous ones. However, there is no mention of a free year of Instacart Plus, so just please keep that in mind before getting this credit card. And others are mentioning you will probably get a 1099 since there's no spending requirement attached to this offer. Next, the American Express Amazon Business Card has a new $400 statement credit bonus after spending $3,000 within the first 90 days of account opening. Spencer Johnson, a good YouTube friend of mine, mentioned in a video that he was planning on getting this card later this year. So with this new sign-up bonus offer, maybe it's time to expedite on those plans. The Amazon Business Card earns you 5% back or 90 days interest-free on purchases at Amazon Business, AWS, Amazon.com, and Whole Foods Markets. 2% back at restaurants, gas stations, and wireless telephone services. And it's also a $0 annual fee business credit card, minus the fact that you do need a Prime membership. Next, the Chase HYATT credit card returns with their common 60,000 point bonus offer that's split up as 30,000 bonus points after spending $3,000 within the first 3 months of account opening, plus 2 points per dollar spent for up to $15,000 within the first 6 months of account opening. Next, Citibank is offering a 30% transfer bonus when you transfer Citi Thank You points to Virgin Atlantic. And finally, Robinhood Crypto launches a Learn to Earn program, which is similar to Coinbase's program. Users can earn a variety of coins through an educational program. Alright, so those were all the relevant deals that I've seen for the week of February 6, 2023. These videos in the meantime will always come out on the weekend on Saturdays at 12 p.m. Eastern Time or 9 a.m. for those of you on the West Coast. Those of you out there that are new to the channel, hi, my name is Eric. I generally talk about everything credit card related, but more recently I've been making videos on broader financial topics such as these videos right here. The main goal for this channel is to provide informational and meaningful financial related content that everybody everywhere can enjoy. So again, if you'd like to support that dream, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And with that, thank you for watching as always. Until next time, everybody, stay safe out there. Peace.